Inside control. Step forward. When they get inside, you get outside. Grab her. That's not a grab. Grab her. Step and move. Zion, go give me push-ups. Step and push their head. Pull their arm under your armpit and drop. Spiral and hook your own thigh. Good. Back up for me. Collar and elbow. That's not collar, Gideon. Collar loops around his neck. Not grabbing the collar. Your hand takes the place of his collar, so that's why it's called collar control. Inside control. Step and push their head. Pull their arm under the armpit and drop the knee. Spiral. Keep the grab and padlock. Good. One more time. Zion, are you ready to listen? There's no reason that one of my gray belts should be doing push-ups unless they don't know how to listen, which you're not having to guess because I'm marching out every single move for you. Ready. Your feet should be wide apart, Ron. Inside control. Step and push their head. Arm under the armpit, drop your knee. Spiral and head and arm, padlock. Spiraling down, Noah. And on your own for 2 minutes. Please rise. Colby and Paisley, move so you don't hit the hand. Drop your knee, you look behind her, you spiral her down. You drive through her. Show me, go. Let's stand there looking at me. Let's go.